Hi everyone, welcome back to Moshe Diaz channel. Finally, I'm back. In this videos, we will share about new Kansas City current stadium construction update. Take a look, the transformations of new stadium, from July, September and now December. The new stadium is getting real already. The stadium, which carried a $117 million budget, will be open for the Current's first home match next season. It's projected to bring a $48.8 million annual economic impact to Kansas City by 2025, as well as a $1.24 billion long-term boost in anticipation of hosting World Cup events in 2026. The Kansas City Current today announced a multi-year partnership with Samsung as the official display partner for technology utilized throughout CPKC Stadium, the first venue in the world purpose-built for a professional women's soccer team. The high-definition scoreboard delivers stunning clarity, in any weather, at any time of the day, ensuring fans never miss a second of the action. CPKC Stadium is set to open in March 2024. Samsung will also provide LED panels that line the entire perimeter of the soccer field.